just pop the hoses in for the radiator. I haven't got the bottom shroud for it, so it's actually quite loose on the bottom, so I'm just going to make up a bracket to go across and then put the rubber around the top. So we'll see how that goes. Everything's good now. I've wired up the motor, the fan. So that's the fan. Just goes constantly at the moment. I had it running yesterday, but the distributor's shit. It's got a crack in the distributor and the timing's all up the poo-poo, so I'll sort that out. I thought I'd sorted it out with an electronic ignition there up on the roof, but it's typical Chinese crap. No rotor came in it either, so I just don't know. Yeah, it was hard to fit in the key in the block as well, so it was fucking out of whack. So what we'll do is get a new cap for that one, and we'll get electronic ignition to go inside it, so it just looks original. So there we go. Yeah, so I just need to make a bracket for the bottom, probably just off the bottom of the surround. They had one that went down to that bolt, so we'll put a latch down to there, or we'll put something across to here that'll hold it. So there we go. Alright, it's coming along. Still don't have windscreen wipers or anything else yet, so my wiring sort of came to a stop yesterday. Got everything in, and then I got to now go back through the lights and make sure everything's wired up right. The fuel pump works, so that's a good thing. I'll put the seat in today, so at least I've got something to sit on, and then I'll put the other gear stick in. Well, that gear stick there, but it'll be alright, but I've got another one for it. And I'll probably need to change out that column, because that one is in the bush and that's too tight. It's going to be a pain in the ass in driving, so I might just swap that out. And it's got a horn attachment on the other one too, so yeah, we'll see how we go. Dash is half in. There's our distributor that's crap. So it didn't come with a rotor, but so I don't understand how that gets from that to the cap, but never mind. Everything else you got to put the old rotor back on, but the rotor doesn't fit on that one.